Hello from Teacher Lucy, and welcome to the Level 1 Plus trial. This trial is similar to the Level 2 Plus trial and MC classes. It is an interactive adventure where the student will walk through a storyline of going to the amusement park and getting on some rides. In this class, those young English learners will learn the big A and small a, big B and small b, as well as the vocabulary words apple, ball, and banana. They will also practice the sentence frame, I see a ball. As the students go through the amusement park, they'll run into a few characters who are sad because they want something like a banana. The student will give the vocabulary for banana and make a sentence, I see a banana, and give it to the character, and that will make the character very happy. When the character at the ticket booth is happy, he will open the ride for the students, and you can go on a ride, like an apple ride or a banana ride. It's important to use a lot of good TPR with the student so that he can understand what you're saying. Both instructional TPR like circle or click and educational like big A, small a, big B, small b. Use props to help the student see what you want him to know. Big A, small a, banana. And use encouragement to let the student know that he did a good job and is learning English well. Remember, this could be the student's first exposure to the English language. That means they need to repeat these words and letters many times. Having the student repeat at least 3 times will help him remember the vocabulary word as well as have an opportunity to pronounce it correctly and use it in the sentence correctly. Changing the way a word or a sentence is repeated is a great way to keep the motivation up and to make it engaging. For example, you can use banana and say it loud, banana! Banana, 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 banana. Banana. I see a banana. Throughout the lesson, there are a few interactive activities where either the teacher will circle an object or the student will circle an object. The teacher may click or the student may click. Sometimes the teacher and the students' faces will be in bubbles and they will have fun on a ride or saying a phrase. On the hello slide, the student and teacher can exchange hellos and their names. This is a great slide for the student and teacher to build rapport with each other so that the student feels comfortable and confident in the classroom. Then there's a song slide where there's a fast song that's easy to dance to and have fun with. This loosens up the energy and has the student excited about class. Then the student goes into learning the ABCs. The first letter is the letter A. Notice the teacher on the slide is making the A with her hands. It's easy to make this A and have fun with it. Then the student can make the small a. The small a you can bring down and do TPR for it also. You can also say big A, small a. The next slide teaches big B and small b, or big B, small b. On this slide, the teacher circles the letter and listens for the correct name of the letter. Maybe the student doesn't know the letter name or doesn't answer. The teacher can use some TPR to help the student see the letter and remember, or say the name Big A and have the student repeat. Doing this several times so that the student can feel more confident and comfortable saying the letter names and get them correct. On this slide, the student circles the letter name. So the teacher says the name and the student finds the correct letter. Maybe the teacher says, Big B, and guides the student to circle by using instructional TPR. After the student has completed all 4 letters and said them several times, you can move on to the next slide. On this slide, the teacher can circle the apple and tell the student the name of the object. Apple. Have the student repeat the apple 3 times. You can say, apple. Yay! Good job. Then click the apple and it goes into a bag. Watch the apple go into the bag and move on to the next object. Complete this with all 3 objects, putting them into the bag. After the student has learned the letters and the vocabularies, they go to a reward slide. This is a map of a theme park. We enter the theme park and you can see there is an apple ride, a banana ride, a ball pit, and a roller coaster. Circle the apple ride and let the student know that the ride is open. We're going to go on an apple ride. When the student gets to the apple ride, the teacher can click on the bag and it will disappear, revealing an apple. The student says apple, 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 checking for pronunciation and for remembering that vocabulary word. Then the student can click the apple and it goes to the character's thought bubble. The character is thinking of an apple. Notice that the character is sad. On this slide, the student sees the apple and practices a sentence. I see an apple. You can use TPR to help demonstrate that this is a sentence and what it means. I see an apple. Have the student say the complete sentence using a sentence frame. I see an apple. Good job. Then notice that the character is happy. Yay! He is happy. There's a gate on the side. You can point to the gate or circle the gate and say, let's go. Then the teacher and the student are on the apple ride and they can have fun having a ride on the apple, practicing the vocabulary. Apple, apple, apple. You can also count the number of apple rides. 1, 2. Next, the student is at the banana ride. The teacher clicks on the bag, it disappears, and a banana appears. The student practices the vocabulary banana, 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 banana. When the student has practiced it enough times, click the banana and it goes to the character's head. Notice that the character is sad. The character wants a banana. In the next slide, the student sees the banana. And he practices the sentence, I see a banana. I see a banana. I see a banana. After saying the sentence enough times so that the student remembers the vocabulary word and can say that sentence structure, notice that the character is happy. Yay! The monkey is happy. Woohoo! No, find the gate and go into the ride. Now we're at the banana ride. The banana ride I think of as a swing. So I like to swing back and forth. Banana, banana, whee, banana. Swinging back and forth, repeating the vocabulary, counting how many banana boats there are, and having a good time with the student, enjoying the banana ride. When the student gets to the ball ride, click the bag and the bag will disappear and a ball will appear. And the student can practice saying the word ball. I like to take a lot of balls out of the bag and have the student practicing with many different types of balls. I'll say, ball. Then the student has had plenty of practice with that vocabulary word. Click the ball and the ball goes to the character's thought bubble. Boop, boop. Ooh. And we can notice that the character is sad. He wants a ball. He is sad. Oh, sad. On this slide, the student sees the ball and practices the sentence, I see a ball. You can notice that the character ride is happy. Yay! He is happy. Finally, the teacher and the student have entered the ball pit where they can jump around and have fun. In this ball pit, there are balls at the top and the bottom. You can have fun with the balls, putting them back into the bag. A ball. On the reward slide, you can show the students that we went to the apple ride, the banana ride, the ball ride, and now the roller coaster is open. On the roller coaster, the student practices the letters, big B and small b. The student can circle the letters. Then the next roller coaster slide practices the vocabulary words, ball and apple and banana. On these review slides, the parents can see that their student has learned the letters, they've learned vocabulary words, they learned to use a full sentence, but most importantly, they had fun while learning English. And the students will leave the class saying, I want more, and they'll want to come back to your class. That's it for the Level 1 Plus trial, and I hope you have fun teaching. Bye-bye.